Hello! In this video, we're going to learn how to read the graphs in the 75F's Facilisite. So go into the Graphs tab here, and this is the page that you should see. So on the left bar, you'll see a list of all your retrofitted rooftop units, and under those RTUs are the zones that are connected to that duct run. So the first graph you see is the zone parameters. This lets you see historical zone parameter data. Things like at what time the zone is going into setback and what the actual temperature have been on a zone-by-zone basis. You can look at any combination of zones on the same graph if you're looking to compare parameters between them, and you can do that by just checking on the color boxes off or on to compare those zones. Okay, one thing is there's this dotted line right here, and that means that is telling you the desired temperature set point the system is trying to achieve, and the solid lines is the current temperature in the space. So what is the x-axis and the y-axis? The x-axis is the current time of day, and the y-axis is the degrees in Fahrenheit. So you can see in this graph that this is the point in time where it's going into setback because the temperature is rising, and it's summertime, so the temperature is going to rise when the system turns off. System turns on, that's when there's cooling in the building, and that's when people are coming back into the building around 9 a.m. here, and you can see that it's lowering down the temperature. So, moving on, the second graph is the system parameters. This lets you know what each RTU is doing. It's the same concept as the zone parameters graph. You can look at one RTU by checking or unchecking the box next to the RTU header here. And by checking on those boxes, we'll let these graphs appear. So these are the final graphs. These lets you see the runtime of the RTUs. You can use the runtime compare with the zone parameter airflow temperatures to determine if your heating or cooling equipment is heating or cooling properly. For example, if the cooling is running, indicated by the light or dark blue, then you can look at the airflow temperature in the zones above to compare and show if the supply air temperatures are adequate. So some few features here is this. In the top right corner is the dates. And you can change the date range to any period of time since 75F has been installed. And you can go and analyze data from last month or 3 months ago, however long you've had it installed. It's pretty cool. And these last things here are drop-down menus where you can specify what you want to view on your graphs. For example, in zone parameters, you can view just the desired temperature by clicking the current temp off, and of course vice versa. And the same goes down for the system parameters graph. And that's pretty much it. Now you know how to read the graphs page in Facilisite. For more information, go to www.75f.io/support. For more Facilisite tutorials, go to www.75f.io/Facilisite. To watch more support videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to the 75F YouTube page. And please like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope it helped.